The next subpart which I'll be working on is encapsulation. Now supposing we have our square smiley, and then here we have happy.side. We put this to say it. We run this. You see how the head area turns to 64 because we've modified the side to 8. But many times we don't want this kind of direct modification of class attributes externally. So what we could do is we could make this attribute private, and to do that we could add this double underscore before the variable name. So there we make this private. Yeah, we modify it wherever it's to be used. Again, we have that. We run now. We see from this that even after modifying this side, we'll have the same value for the area, and that's because this side is taking the default value, which is this 5 here, and so external modifications are not allowed. And if we want to make this kind of external modifications, we could use a setter. By setter we mean we define this set side function, which modifies the value of the side internally. So we don't have to modify this side value externally, but now internally. So here we have this. It'll take the side that will pass in here, and then we'll set the no side. Obviously we have the self. It's an object class. It's an object method. So we have that. We have the side. We could now modify. Let's run this again. You see that? Now what we do now is we have happy.set side it, run it, and you see that it's modified. So this is how we go about encapsulating